Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Happy November. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. All right, this is going to be a very quick one, I promise. I have a couple of beautiful subscribers requesting to show how to make Ofe Akwu with akwu in the can, which is the palm fruit extract in the can. I already have this particular Ofe Akwu video in my channel, but I used the fresh palm kernel because I was opportune to have it. So this is like for people that cannot reach that. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the extract in the can. You could get this one or the one that says Ghana Fresh. It's good. That's the closest to the taste of the palm fruit back home. All right, so these are the ingredients. This is the main ingredient, which is the palm soup base, the extract. And I'm going to be using scent leaf. Is very important to this. You can use every kind of obstacles you like. Here I have cow foot, I have smoked fish, I have here I have actually beef and goat meat and chicken. I already dried them, or I didn't cook them yet. I just mixed it with a stock cube and just dried it in the oven for like 40-45 minutes. And here is my azu mangala. This is dry fish. Dry fish is different from smoked fish. And of course I have my okpei and crayfish. I have salt, onions, I have stock cube I'm gonna be using, and the water I'm gonna be using. So basically this is all you need for this. All right, so let's go into making this. The first thing will be to parboil the meat. All right, so I'm going to be parboiling the meat and the azu mangala because it's kind of hard. I need it to soften up, so it's going to be parboiled together. So let's go into making this beautiful Ofe Akwu. So I'm going to be transferring the meat, the chicken, the goat meat into the pot, and to that I'll add the onions and of course the stock cube. You can use just two. I already have half down, and also the fish. You can use any kind of dry fish you like, and you're gonna be adding water. Make sure the water is in the same level as the meat. So now I'm gonna add some salt, since I haven't really added salt to the meat. Mix everything together. And we're gonna cook. I'm gonna be cooking it for like I should say 20 minutes, or you could just touch it and see you know how soft it is, because everybody has a preference how they want it, tender, meat tender, or hard. So let's go and boil this, and then we wait for it to boil and we continue. Okay, the cow fat is already parboiled, so I really don't have to do anything with that. All right, so I'm going to cover the pot and then give it 20 minutes to dry. Every other thing is said. That's why I wanted the video to be very short, because I already prepared every other thing down. I'm just going to open the can and put it on the plate and wait for the meat to be ready. Okay,
a few moments later.
okay guys, this is how the one from the can looks like. You see it's very thick. You could add it directly like this, but I like my Ofe Akwu kind of a little watery, can I say liquidy, not too thick. So I'm just gonna add a little water to try and loosen the thickness a little bit before adding it to the stock. Okay, this is how I like it. You see the thickness has been loosened. So before I put this in the pot, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my cow food that I have in it. Okay, so now you transfer the palm extract into the pot And then we're going to allow it to come to a full boil before we add other ingredients. Look at that beautiful color. Guys, I think I forgot to show you the pepper. This is the pepper I'm going to be using. I like to use the yellow one because of the scent. It's amazing. If you have Cameroon pepper, you could also use that. They have beautiful scents. They add more flavor into your Ofe Akwu. Alright. Okay guys, so when you see the oil floating on the surface like this, just know that our Ofe Akwu is ready to go. So right now, the next thing is I'm going to be adding the scent leaf. Let me put just a little. And remember the crayfish and the okpei. Now I'm adding it. I'm going to give it a good stir. I'm also going to add the yellow pepper now. Put as much pepper as you can handle. If you're using the yellow pepper, remember it's kind of spicy. So give it a stir, and then in the next 5 minutes we should be good to go. The last thing we're going to be adding will be the smoked fish, which I haven't added because I want to see it. I don't want it scattered in the stew. So that will be the last, and then the soup is totally done.
Eventually.
Now the final step is to add the smoked mackerel. You just be careful so it doesn't pieces. And in the next 1 to 2 minutes we're done. Okay, the stew is ready. Look at that, beautiful smoky hot. So let's get it off the stove and serve. Okay guys, I present to you Ofe Akwu. Ofe Akwu from the can. So I hope I have made justice to this. For those that requested for this, I hope I made justice to it. Thank you so much for joining me. Go ahead and give it a try. You will love it. Like I said, if you don't have the palm kernel fruit itself, go ahead and use the thing. You'll feel the same taste. All right. See you some other time. Happy November once again. Stay safe. Stay blessed. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Like the video. Share this video. Leave me a comment. God bless you all. Bye.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish